How's it going? We've run out of paint upstairs for the painting the beams. I've got to go buy some more this afternoon on the way home. Used 2 cans, spray cans of the rust enamel. Now we're on to using the Penetrol. Okay, what we're going to do is try and slow this rust down around these posts. Now the paint that was on there, I should have showed that. It's like that one over there. I showed that when I did that one. But there was paint on there. It just scraped off. Okay, it was loose. The rust has already, the oxidization had already started getting under the paint. And the paint just peeled up real quick. So now I've done the scrape. Now I've got to go through, brush it all. Give it a good solid brush, which I'll do in a minute. I won't be able to show that well. Hard to brush while I'm doing the video. And then a real good solid coat of Penetrol. Wouldn't be surprised if we used a whole can just on these 5 posts, maybe more. And then it's got to dry for 24 hours at least before I can put another coat over the top. And being the outside posts, I'm going to want 3 coats. So 1 of Penetrol, 2 of sealer. Okay. And of course then do the whole post, because she's got nicks and bits out of it everywhere, little rust spots. So it's only been hit with a primer over the top, just like everything else, just a grey primer over the top of the blue primer that was posted, because the posts were painted blue. They were blue prime posts originally. And now we've got to give it a seal to try and stop the water from getting into it, because without a sealer, the whole thing is, guys, when you're doing this stuff, you've got, if you don't do it properly, you're just going to be coming back in a couple of years. You know, spend the extra time. I'm now looking at going to stainless steel posts for doing repair jobs with, because at the cost of the repair job, like when I have to replace a post like this thing, you know, it's up to $1,500. It's $100 for the steel post, you know, and then all the labour is involved to hold the house up and replace the post and do whatever else has to be done, and welding. But to put a stainless steel post here, that's $300 cost. Now out of $1,500, big deal. 100 or 300. At the end of the day, if I use stainless steel, I'll get far more work doing repairs, because people will see the quality of work of using stainless steel that doesn't corrode. All right, well, almost doesn't corrode, but lasts a good 50 plus years. Where these things here, look, this is 9 years. Look at it. Look at the state of it. It's only 9 years old. Okay, and the ones further down there, where the pool water's getting to, the salt water's getting to, they're much, much worse. All right, so you've got to do it properly. You know, around the pool, they should all be stainless, because the only thing that'll stop it is the marine grade stainless, 316. It's the only thing that has a chance around the pool, whether it's chlorine or salt. But that's what we're doing, and we'll get back to it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.